Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the reset safe. Charge the phone to at least 50% and keep SIM or micro SD in place if you need files. Once ready, backup contacts to SIM or export photos to a card or computer because factory reset erases user data. Now, press Menu, scroll to Settings and select Phone Settings. This is where the reset options live. Make sure you have your GeoPhone PIN or lock code. You will need it to confirm the reset process. Once in Phone Settings, choose Restore Factory Settings and then Reset Options. This triggers the device wipe. When prompted, enter your PIN or lock code to confirm. This prevents accidental resets. Select Erase all user data to clear apps, accounts, and files. Know that this action is irreversible. The phone will show progress as it wipes. Make sure not to remove the battery, power off, or interrupt the process. Let it complete fully, because partial resets can leave the phone unstable. After the wipe finishes, the GeoPhone will reboot into its initial setup sequence. Follow on-screen prompts to set language, time, and network. Once booted, reinsert SIM if removed, then restore contacts and photos from your backup. Make sure accounts are re-added so messaging and calls work. If the phone hangs on boot or shows repeated errors, try a soft reset first by removing and reinserting the battery. Otherwise, contact a service center for recovery. This tip fixes most post-reset boot issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.